Hey guys, this is I think that's bubblegum, and um time is very cold and it's like 5 o'clock in the morning almost. I'm leaving to go to school, and yeah, I'm gonna be better today. I'm a bad friend. Not this me. And I took a nap pretty much all day yesterday. I woke up at 8 at night, and I stayed up since then. I think it was a little bit after 8:15 because I knew that Wade was texting me on Skype at like 8:15. He was like, "What are you doing?" Like, damn it! I'm surprised that he's sick. And yeah, I ended up begging him until like 2 o'clock in the morning, and then so I wanted to make a video. I'm bored. And I have nothing better to do with my life. And my phone keeps going off in the middle of every single video that I make, and then I'm like, okay, if you want to be heard in my videos, then I might as well make a video showing you guys my ringtones. I have a lot of PewDiePie ringtones, and I have one with Pikachu, and I have one with cat. In fact, it's a little kitten, and I like dog. So, yeah, let me get into that. Oh, yeah, I decorated my screen. I decorated that yesterday. Okay, so, my ringtones, um, this is my ringtone. It's just it's really repetitive. Um, yeah, that is my main ringtone, and also my, um, 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 and then I have this one, it's of Stefano telling his headlights to go. And I'm like, oh my god, okay. I'm gonna show you guys the pre-pattern test first. Then, we have this. And after that, I have. I didn't mean to click on that one. Okay, well that was PewDiePie. Probably saying happy videos. Um, with the um the irresponsible father, and then that was apparently JD. See, I get it. I get it. You're supposed to be awake or not. Then I have this one. I can't get enough of that one. Jamming section. And then I have this, which is like, if you look at it, there's blue pass. Let's see, is that it? I thought I had another Stefano one, but I guess not. Then I have this one, this Pikachu one. Yes, that's yeah. And then I have this J one. It is so cute. Then now you have the notification phone. I have the It's Safe City one. Um, pretty bad. Yeah, that's what I have set for my text. I thought that like one of my tags was playing PewDiePie, but then I'm like, oh wait. And then I have this one with Stefano, which I thought I had as a ringtone instead of that. Where is Armand? Okay. Yeah, I like died hearing it. No, how'd you do? Could you do that? I have this Mario message one, which I thought was cute. Yeah, I thought that was cute. I have the Pokemon recovery one. I think that was cute. And then the last one I have is not jacked up on Mountain Dew. It's weird. And I heard it and I thought of my brother instantly because my brother is absolutely obsessed with Mountain Dew. And then my cousin Billy, he calls himself the Mountain Dew King, and I'm like, well, you know, he's our badass over here. So yeah, those were my ringtones, other than the ones that came with the phone, which retarded. Yes. I have a lot of these things. I think I'm one side. Like yesterday, Sonia and I were in health, and we were supposed to make, a romantic problem, and, we put as the problem, Felix has been spending too much time playing video games, and Linda feels that, PewDiePie is rejecting her. What should Linda do to make Felix spend more time with her? And I'm like, I felt like that could actually happen, but like, I don't know. So, I'm gonna go now, and I hope that my phone doesn't go off right now. So yeah, that was my ringtone. That's all. See you guys later. Comment, rate, subscribe, whatever you wanna do. Yeah, bye bye!